Cinema is an expression of the needs of society, of the fantasies of society, of the creative part of society. Bottom line is, and the message that really needs to be conveyed is we must respect the individuality of people, and that the state or society has no place in the bedrooms of consenting adults. That is a private matter, and everyone should be allowed to express their preferences in any way they like, whenever they like.
I feel wonderful. I think it's a great platform for filmmakers from everywhere to showcase their work that relates to the LGBT community. It's a wonderful platform, and it's also a great opportunity for people to understand the LGBT community better. As you know, in India, homosexuality has only recently, in the past few years, been decriminalized. So, as a community, they have only just recently been given the very basic right, of being legal, of being able to be themselves without fear of persecution. But legality is not the only fear of persecution. Society as a whole has to learn to embrace people and communities that they perceive as different. So this is a great platform to promote that as well.
I think the film festival will be very well attended, because there are a lot of people that want to see these films, that see that these films are part of their lives, and are glad that people are taking note of the problems that they face in society. So God bless them. I wish them all success. I wish them all freedom. I wish them all fulfillment.
I think it has the potential to have great impact on society, really an amazing potential to have serious impact on society, because it serves to give people an insight, to give the rest of society an insight into the LGBT community and see what their struggles are. Some of their struggles are the same as everyone else's. They're very, very human struggles that everyone can relate to. Other struggles are specific to the community, and it gives people an opportunity to see that. It's a great window into their lives, their sadnesses, their choices, how they are perceived all over the world, and how they perceive themselves in general, how they are coming into the mainstream, and hopefully are becoming part of the mainstream instead of just being perceived as being on the fringes of society. It is a great platform to help them be perceived as equally human as everyone else, and equally deserving of identity.